Hello Saj, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for the month of June. Love messages from your person. We will get messages from your person and clarify it with tarot. This is for Saj, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. So Spirit, what messages do you have for Saj from their person? Okay, the first card we have, how can you not see that I do care about you? What else? My family will not accept our relationship. Messages from Saj's person, Spirit. I feel alone. Don't hurt me. Don't ignore me. One more message from Saj's person, Spirit. One last message. Let's just go with the flow. At the bottom we have, stop being an emotional mess. But I feel your person is an emotional mess right now. So let's clarify these messages with tarot. But I feel, you may feel that your person doesn't care about you, Saj, but this person has that, like, it's like a complaint that how can you not see that I do care about you. But this person, something related to family issues here, that this person feels that their family will not accept your relationship. Maybe you are married to someone else or you are in a third party situation, something related to family issues here. Maybe you guys are from different culture and it could be any issue. This person feels alone. This person feels that you hurt this person by ignoring this person, and let's just go with the flow. Okay. Clarify first card, Spirit. How can you not see that I do care about you? Too many cards. I just need one card, Spirit. Clarify the first card, please. Someone is hiding their feelings. Someone is very guarded because someone has been betrayed in a past, and I feel this could be you, Saj, and you guard your heart from this person. Maybe this is this person's energy, that this person is very protective of their heart, and maybe because of that they do stuff that makes you feel that they don't care about you. But this person is afraid of a heartbreak. This person is afraid of a betrayal. This person is afraid that you will leave them, like you will leave their life and they are gonna feel very, very alone. These are their past issues I'm getting here, like someone, they have been there, someone have left them out in a cold in the past, and now they just want to focus on themselves, and this person is guarding their heart and their feelings. That's what I'm getting here. But this person do want a movement in this relationship. This person do want to travel with you or travel towards you if this is a long distance relationship. I'm also getting this person may also want you to meet them, like reach out to them or travel towards them. Yes, this person is feeling the lack in their life, maybe feeling the lack in this relationship, and this person wants to communicate with you. This person wants to have a forward movement, like very fast impulsive energy here, like that's what this person want. And definitely I'm getting this person want to travel towards you, or this person want you to travel towards them if this is a long distance relationship. If not, then this person want to go out with you somewhere else, somewhere. So what is my family will not accept our relationship, Spirit? Someone could be pregnant here, but this person could be feeling this person's mother could be the issue, or your mother could be the issue, Saj. And like this person feels that their mother will not get ready for this relationship. I'm also getting this person could be a third party in your life. So this person feels that their family will not accept that, and this person do want to be with you. I have a Libra and Sag card here. So you could be dealing with a Libra, or you could be dealing with another Sag. But what I'm getting from here is their mother could be an issue, and love is there in the situation, but this person feels that this person's family will not accept our relationship, and maybe you have gone through some kind of ending in your past, or this person has gone through some kind of ending in their past. But wow, we have an Emperor card, Empress, Wheel of Fortune, and the Emperor. This is the Aries card, Aries, Libra, and Sag energy here. This person, so it could be this person's parents, that this person feels that this was like their family will not accept their relationship, but they do want to turn this wheel. They do. I'm also getting Sag that this person feels you are their perfect match, like you are a couple. It could be a twin flame relationship, or it could be a very, very deep soulmate connection, and love is there in this situation. Could be a third party situation for some of you. What is I feel alone, spirit? Yes, this person waits for you. This person is afraid of a failure. This person feels alone, and you could act very detached sometimes, and this person is very hurt because of that. This person waits for you, that's what I feel, or at least this person feels alone when this person is waiting for you. I'm also getting this person could strong Libra energy in this reading, and Sag, but this person, like if you feel that this person is acting very detached and very cold towards you, this is because this person feels alone, and this person is waiting. This person is waiting for you, either or for some kind of, or for some relationship. I am getting again and again, this person has some kind of ending, and this person is afraid of a betrayal or heartbreak. I'm also getting this person is in pain. This person, you may not see it with this Queen of Swords energy, that this person is very harsh, this person is heartless, almost heartless, but this queen has been there, and this queen has been very hurt. So this is the reason this person is feeling alone. This is the reason, if this person is making you wait for something, this is the reason that this person is afraid of a failure, and this person feels alone in their life, and they are afraid that you will leave them alone. Like this, these are their past issues, I feel. Don't hurt me, 10 of Wands. This person is very drained right now, Sag. This 7 of Swords. This person may be hiding from you that this person is very drained. Either you or this person is still have that baggage of an old relationship, and this person feels very drained. This person feels that this is a lot of work to do. This person is, yes, this person is stuck. This person is not in a good energy, I feel. This person is overthinking the situation. Princess of Swords. This person wants to gather more information. This card, definitely something has ended here, Sag, in your life or in this person's life. This person is very much in that energy where this person is going within and seeking answers. I'm also getting Sag that this person wants to take their time, wants to gather more information. This person could be stalking you, and this is hurting this person, that maybe things have ended between you guys. Yes, you could be dealing with someone else, Sag, that's why this person is hurt. Let's see. But this person could be stalking you, or this person is getting information regarding you, and that is very painful for this person and the world. This person feels very distant from you, Sag, and this person is very disappointed. Don't ignore me with the 6 of Cups. This person misses you. This person misses the sex, Sag. This person likes to touch you. This person loves you. King of Cups here with the 6 of Cups. Definitely a deep soulmate connection. Connection is there. Connection is mutual. This is a deep connection. Could be a past life relationship as well. But let's just go with the flow. Let's see what this is. Yes. Work on your stability, Sag. This person wants to work on their stability. Could be this person wants to just be patient and take it slow, because this person just want to just let's just go with the flow. So this person wants to go with the flow because this person is seeking marriage with you. This person seeks stability with you. King of Pentacles with the Ten of Pentacles, with let's just go with the flow. So this person wants to see how things will grow between you guys. That this person is willing to be patient. This person is seeking stability with you, period. Yes, this person feels this could be a very new start in their life, and love is there in this situation. I have a Lovers card here. This person wants to have kids with you. That's what I'm getting here. And if things have ended between you guys, this is a rebirth of this relationship, and this is something that this person wants to have, to marry you. Yes, to have a family with you. And I'm also getting, if you guys are going through some kind of ending, or if you guys are going to go through some kind of ending, that will start again. This will start again. If this has all, if things have already ended between you guys, Sag, then this is gonna start again, that's for sure. And something stable will start this time, and not just dating and flirting. So this was your reading, Sag. I really hope it helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.